Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new Class 66 Rocks Stobart review. So in today's review we're going to be looking at a model that came before the Atlas Editions ones. These particular ones were out the same time as the original 1/50th scale Stobart models when they were in the old livery and not the new livery that they're in now. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we've got today then. So, as you can see today, we have a Corgi Superhauler model. Now, it is in the Knauf plasterboard, plasters and drywall systems livery. Now, at the time, there was Knauf, United Glass and the Mirror Group, who were in partnership with Eddie Stobart. Now, I don't think they're in partnership with them anymore as far as I'm aware. Well, the Mirror certainly aren't, and I don't think United Glass are. I'm not too sure about Knauf plasterboard though, but if you do know, please leave your comments below. So, as you can see with the box, the design is half of the Knauf livery and half of the Stobart livery. So, starting with the front of the box, so we'll just do a quick run around of it first. We've got the Stobart S arrow in yellow on a red backdrop, as you can see. We've got the Knauf wording underneath there with plasterboard, plasters and drywall systems in white. On this side of the box you can see we've got the Corgi logo just there, and again the Stobart S arrow with the yellow S on the red backdrop. Turning the box round to the side, so as you can see, if I zoom the camcorder in actually, it's code CC86604 and it's a Scania Curtainside. So if we turn the box round to the back, so as you can see, again we've got the two-tone design on the box. So we've got the Stobart livery on one part and the Knauf livery on the other part. But as you can see, I'll just try and stop the glare there. On the back of the box we've actually got the information about Eddie Stobart, so I'll just let you have a quick read of that just for a second. So I'll just bring it in a bit closer just so you can try and see it anyway. Okay, so turning the box round to the bottom, there's nothing special about the bottom of the box as such. We've just got the barcode and the Corgi Classics address for Great Britain. So if we just have a quick look at the top as well, we can see it says here it's a detailed die-cast scale model for the adult collector. So what we'll do, we'll get the box open and take a look at it. Now this particular model I've had in storage for some time, and I've only just discovered it while having a tidy up today. So I have got the United Glass and the Mirror one as well, so at some point I pretty well review those as well. So let's just take it out of the box. Okay, so before we take the truck off this cardboard surround, what I'll do, I'll pause the video because underneath, which you'll see in a minute, there's some like plastic ties that go around the bottoms of the axles of the cab and the trailer to keep it in place. So first off, it's got quite a bit of weight to it. It's not too light, not too heavy, pretty a bit in between really. So we'll just take this plastic lid off the top. I mean, it's absolutely ages since I opened one of these, so I can't remember rightly what's included on the back, but we'll have a look now. So as you can see, it comes on a cardboard insert, as you can see, which is in the Stobart green livery. If we turn it round to the back, so as you can see here we've got a certificate of authenticity, which I will just take off, and then we'll be keeping hold of it because it's actually a limited edition. It doesn't matter about the cardboard there getting ripped just for a second. So let's just have a quick look at the certificate. So what I'll do, I'll show it you while it's in the packaging. So as you can see, it's part of the Eddie Stobart Limited Contract Collection. Product code CC86604, Knauf Scania Curtainside, This basically certifies that this is a limited edition and is number 4593 of only 5,000 distributed worldwide by Corgi Classics. So we'll put that down for a second and I'll just show you what I mean by the bottom of the truck. So as you can see, hold on, I don't actually think, no, so I actually thought it was actually protected by the plastic ties. So the previous owner hadn't actually got them still on the packaging. So I'm just going to pause the video just for a second to adjust the brightness. I'll be right back. Okay, apologies about that. What I had to do, I had to switch the camcorder on and off again because somehow the brightness went a bit off previously. So I've got it back to sort of what I need it now for the rest of the review. So as I was saying, obviously the plastic ties aren't underneath the cab or the trailer. So what we'll do, we'll have to separate them manually and we'll take a look at them individually. So I'll just take the trailer off and I'll also take the tracked unit off as well, and we'll just discard that. Okay, so taking a look at the tracked unit itself. So first off, it is quite lightweight. There's not much weight to it at all. As you can see, it's a four-wheel based tractor unit. So we'll start with the front. So I'll use the camcorder to zoom in a bit. So as you can see on the top of the foil, we've got the Knauf wording. It's in like a pale blue all the way around the cab and also on the trailer. Moving down, we've got the visor, as you can see. We've got the Scania badge in the middle. Now there is a name on there, but I don't think the camcorder will be able to pick that up, but we will try it. No, I'm going to zoom out because the writing is that small. I can't actually see myself without looking at it close up off camera. So moving down, as you can see, we've got the grille just there. We've got the indicators and the headlights on the left and right hand sides. And moving down to the bottom where the black and white striped bumper is, we've got the spot lamps or fog lamps, whichever you wish to call them, on the bottom of the bumper. And underneath we've got the number plate, which is P436CRM. So turning the model around to the side now. So as you can see on the side, we've got the Knauf livery. One thing that it hasn't got is mirrors on either side, but I don't think any of the Superhaulers ever had. So as you can see, the only thing different we've got on the bottom there is the fleet number H436. Turning the model round to the back now, as you can see again, we've got the number plate P436CRM on the bottom right there, and over the mud guards as well we've got the brakes, the indicators and the reversing lights. So turning the model round to the other side, again there's nothing much different on this side. We've got the Knauf wording, and which is the basic livery, and again the fleet number. So that's the cab. So now let's take a look at the trailer. Okay, so here we've got the trailer, again very lightweight. It actually felt a bit more when it was fully connected to the tractor unit. So as you can see, it's a triaxle trailer. We've got the trailer legs underneath just there, as well as the coupling there. So on the front here we've got the trailer number, which is ET920. As you can see on the side, we've got the Knauf livery with the words plasterboard, plasters and drywall systems running the length of the trailer. We've also got these detailed trailer straps running the length of the Curtainside trailer. These are in black with the silver notches painted on where the strap fastens. So let's turn the trailer round to the back. So as you can see on the back, again we've got the number plate P436CRM in the centre there. Underneath here we've got the indicators, reversing lights and the brake lights, as well as the hazard warning panels. We've got the Knauf livery. Now I think, is that the BSI logo just there, because that's what it looks like over the top of the camcorder screen, because I'm trying to read it at the same time. And again, we've got the telephone number for Knauf, which I'm presuming is still the same or may have changed. And again, we've got the trailer number on the left and right hand sides. So if I remember rightly, these doors do actually open. So I'm just going to attempt to open the trailer doors to show you. Oh, there we go. So as like with all the Superhauler range, the trailer doors do open on it. So we'll just close them back up. Turning the trailer around to the other side now. As you can see, again, we've got the Knauf wording with the plasterboard, plasters and drywall systems again in white. We've got the trailer straps, which are printed very neatly, running the length of the Curtainside trailer. We've also got blue inserts on the wheels, as you can see, and on the top of the trailer, if you're looking at it from this angle, we've got the Knauf wording there, whereas it's upside down there. But if you turn the trailer around like that, again, this side's now the right way up and that side's the wrong way up. So I'll just connect these two back up so you can see it fully. So when it's connected up, it adds a little bit more weight to it, but not much. But that is it basically. The Corgi Classics Scania Curtainside in Knauf livery.